Have you ever scrolled through TikTok or YouTube and stumbled upon those viral videos of kissing and hugging that rack up millions of views? You might be surprised to find out that you can create videos like these in under a minute using just 2 photos. The best part is that you can do it all right from your phone. Imagine making a video where Donald Trump kisses Kamala Harris, or Taylor Swift leans in for a kiss with Kanye West. Picture a fun moment between Thanos and Thanos. With AI, you can even witness the iconic reunion embrace of Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez. No matter what combination you come up with, you can create it using just a couple of images. Free download DreamVid from description below or search DreamVid on App Store and install it. Open DreamVid. Click the feature of Kiss. Let's use photos of Thanos and Thanos for our example. First, upload the 2 photos, then click Generate. After waiting a few seconds, you'll have a very clear AI-generated kissing parody video. Similarly, if you want to see which 2 people hugging, just go to the main interface of the product and click on the hugging feature. Upload photos of Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez. Then click the button and you'll generate the image you want. And then you will get this. Of course, there are other features, such as one-click outfit changing, where you can select your desired outfit and generate it instantly. Countless interesting AI effects are waiting for you to explore. Most importantly, DreamVid is available for free. Free download DreamVid from description below now. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.